Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's the Blockchain Raccoon keeping you updated with the latest cryptocurrency news and analysis. Folks, right now, Bitcoin's at 48,484, Ethereum at 4,158, XRP 86 cents. Fantastic. Now, I just want to quickly touch on this that Ripple's chair, or billionaire executive chairman and co-founder of Ripple, Chris Larsen, has unveiled his plans for Bitcoin miners to move away from proof of work, saying they should view it as a net positive for their longevity. He argues it could provide a major boost to the share prices of listed mining firms, as any new code proposal would almost certainly have to include lucrative incentives to gain their support. Now, proof of work is the consensus algorithm that secures Bitcoin transactions on the blockchain. While the Bitcoin network is the most secure and reliable, the amount of energy Bitcoin mining required causes endless debate in the crypto space. In a November 10th blog post, Larsen wrote, "The emerging solution among climate experts is that Bitcoin codes needs to be changed to a low energy consensus algorithm like those used by nearly all other major crypto protocols. For example, while Bitcoin uses the energy of approximately 12 million US homes per year, other methods could drive that to fewer than 100 US homes," he's quoted. Now, Ethereum is already halfway through the switch to proof of stake. While Larsen said this would make Bitcoin an outlier, he concedes that any similar change would be opposed by most Bitcoin mining companies. I mean, look at all the money they invested in all these mining rigs. However, he proposed a solution to fairly distribute the 900 Bitcoin per day from block rewards and the approximately 2.1 million additional Bitcoin that are to be distributed through the year 2140. My God. That's when the last Bitcoins will be mined. That's just insane. Now, Chris suggests that the least disruptive solution to Bitcoin's energy problem is to take a snapshot of the current hash rate of existing miners, then reward miners on a pro rata hash power basis. So existing miners would simply have rights to future Bitcoin rewards without the need to expend additional energy or make additional investments in mining rigs. The billionaire businessman explained that his plan would give miners additional economic benefit and lucrative gains because they would gain the same revenue with less operating costs going towards their power bills. I mean, that's pretty cool. Now, he did suggest the future rewards could be held and tokenized, concluding that while the process to enact these plans with consensus across the Bitcoin community will take time, the benefits will far outweigh the risk. And he quotes, "These assets can be extremely lucrative to existing miners, especially as Bitcoin goes from its current climate disaster status to a truly green financial technology of the future." Larsen specifically referenced several U.S. mining stocks, including Strong Digital Mining, Hive Blockchain Technologies, Canaan, Riot, Bit Mining, Bit Digital, Bit Farms, and Marathon Digital Mining. Needless to say, the proposals are unlikely to be welcomed by Bitcoiners or miners who have ambitious plans to increase their share of the hash rate and wouldn't miss out on additional revenue through this plan. And judging by the controversy over changing the block size, now if the proposal does gain support, it would almost certainly lead to a POW fork. That's just crazy. Could Bitcoin go green? That's just it might happen. You never know. If they start pushing for this, it definitely would happen. And if Congress steps in and they start limiting this mining in America like they did in China, it could definitely make this happen. So do not dismiss this happening. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap this up, folks. I am not a financial advisor. I am a little raccoon making YouTube videos about cryptocurrencies. Thanks for tuning in.
History is filled with almosts, with those who almost adventured, who almost achieved, but ultimately, for them it proved to be too much. Then there are others, the ones who embrace the moment and commit. And in these moments of truth, these men and women, these mere mortals, just like you and me, as they peer over the edge, they calm their minds and steel their nerves with 4 simple words that have been whispered by the intrepid since the time of the Romans. Fortune favors the brave.